What's up, YouTube? What I have for you today is a quick and dirty video about how I have my GoPro Hero 8 Black and microphone set up on my motorcycle helmet for dirt bike videos. It's a pretty snowy, cold day outside. The old girl sits outside all lonely. Can't really ride her in a foot of snow. And I've had enough questions about my audio setup that a video is probably a good idea. Now this is probably going to change very shortly when GoPro releases their media mods. More on that later. So what we've got here is a Liat GPX 5.5 helmet, a ProShot chin mount. There's the GoPro Hero 8 Black. This is the old school GoPro mic adapter. And this is a Rode Lavalier Go lapel mic. This is a little fuzzy windsock. The mic itself is underneath the windsock. The mic adapter is fastened to the ProShot chin mount using 3M dual lock adhesive tape. It's kind of like Velcro on steroids. This is an old ProShot chin mount that I had that has a piece of that stuff on it. Both sides. So that's kind of what it looks like, and that's what the mic adapter is attached to the helmet, or to the chin mount with, and it's also what the chin mount is attached to the helmet with. Now, the issue with this setup is the design of the Hero 8 Black kind of sucks, to be honest. The USB-C port is under the battery door, which you have to remove. I have here right in my hand, to be able to plug something into the USB-C port. The problem with this is it leaves the battery exposed with nothing to hold it in. That's what this little piece of tape is about. It's super ghetto, but it's the only way to hold the battery in. You pull it out of there and use the USB-C port at the same time. It's pretty dumb, but it's the only way currently to use an external mic with the GoPro Hero 8 Black. GoPro is releasing what they call a media mod sometime in December, this month I guess. It's a housing that this GoPro is supposed to fit inside of that does away with the mic adapter and also has the USB-C port and a 3.5mm mic adapter port on the back of the housing itself. So that would get rid of this, the mic adapter, and I would be able to, the battery would be held in by the housing that GoPro is releasing sometime soon. It's called a media mod. So until then, this is the only way I was able to come up with to use my external mic with the GoPro Hero 8. Unfortunately, I can't ride in the rain or in the mud or anything because obviously the entire internals of the camera are exposed. You know, there's the SD card and everything. It's kind of dumb, but I've got the media mod pre-ordered and I'll get it whenever they release it. I've got some Gorilla Tape holding the cord for the microphone to the helmet. This stuff works pretty good, super strong, some zip ties. You know, it's not as ghetto as it could be. It certainly works okay. And just for comparison, this is my Hero 7 Black, and the way this works, the battery door and all the ports are separate. You know, there's your HDMI and, or whatever that is, HDMI and USB-C, but they are separate from the battery location. Much better design. There's the battery port and SD card. So you can still have a waterproof GoPro and use your external mic with the Hero 7. I wish they had done this differently. It's kind of a pain in the ass. But this setup works, and the audio quality is pretty good, at least temporarily, until they release that media mod. I can't think of any other questions to answer, excuse me, that people have had. But that's that. That's my helmet video and audio setup. You pretty much need to use an external mic with any of the GoPros because the audio quality sucks ass. So that's that. Have a good one, YouTube. And I'm going to sit here and continue to stare out the front window at my bike in the snow, being all butthurt because I can't ride. Peace out. Brap on.